How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Fishing with me, DYang. Today we are chub fishing. We need more catfish bait, so that means we gotta find these chubs. There is a stream right in front of me. It's fairly shallow, you can see right through it, and we're gonna pick some pockets out. So stay tuned. If you guys haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, leave some comments down below, and I'll see you guys on the water. This is fun. I like this. It's more relaxed. It's more nature-like. I'll see you guys on the water. Alright guys, so we do have a little milk carton here to keep all our chubs in. I do have a little spray here, so whoa, that's cool. Saw something blow up right there. Let's do that real quick. Let's see if we catch some chubs. It's a nice little pool right here, as you guys can see. Just gonna put a bobber right there. Oh, I got one. Oh, whoa, right away. No way, that was cool. Wow, so these are chubs right here, guys. These things are vicious and crazy. Like, I'm using this little fly hook. These are chubs. Oh, and yeah, they just go nuts. Yeah, they just go nuts. So look at this. Such beautiful fish. Wow. I'm gonna put up some water in here. I'm gonna keep some. Keep it right in the water so it stays nice and cool, okay? Got one. There we go. Oh, this is a giant. And the crazy thing is that they get bigger than this. That's so sweet. Yeah, I think I just gotta stay a little further away because I don't want to spook them out. Just spook them out, they're out of here. Oh yeah, I can see them. That's so cool. Just chilling here. Oh, I got one. Oh, I got this guy. That's so sweet. Whoa, this guy's huge. Dude, yeah, these are the ones I was telling you guys about. Look at that. It's about like 5 inches. Wow. Yeah, these guys are vicious, man. They'll eat each other. Great cutbait right here. Look at that. Beautiful chub. Creek chub it is. And they're eventually gonna die once they sit in this bucket anyway, so that's okay. Let me take this bobber. I'll see if I can just reach over there and see what happens. Oh, I got it. Nice. There we go. That works. They're so feisty. It's crazy. Got him. Chub fishing at its finest. Dude, I just saw a big chub swim by. Oh my god, that's a nice one right there. Look at him go. Look at, oh, dude, thing's huge. No, chill. Whoa, look at that. That's amazing. I had to get a picture of this one. Man, that guy's chunker. Oh yeah. Here we go. Perfect. Oh yeah, oh my god, there's tons of them now. I was definitely just in their space. Look at that. Jeez. Yeah, there's tons of them. There's a whole school. Oh my god, there's a whole school over there. I need these small ones for bait. It's just, they're just so fast. one bite and they're gone. Let's go look for more pools. I want to find some better pools. Let me talk to you guys real quick. Fishing chub is not hard, right? All you have to do is find a stream, feed from the Great Lakes or whatever lakes that's connected to. A lot of the chubs here will come and hang out in these small little creeks. And the best lure for the situation, if you can use waxy, sure, but then you know it'll be peeling off and breaking off. You'll just have to keep replacing it. But what I'm using is this ice jig. I think this is a VMC. Don't quote me on it, it's pretty tiny. I don't know if it's gonna focus. There we go. I mean, that's what it looks like. And you can fish this thing over and over again, catch a ton of chub. So I'm gonna keep fishing, and I think I'm gonna end it very soon because it's repetitive, but it is fun. I'm just gonna look for that one big one because I know they get pretty big, at least 10 inches. So let's see if we catch them. Dude, these spots are nice. Got him. There we go. Oh, there's a ton of them over there too. Oh man, I just ended here. Jeez. Really? Okay, there it goes. And I just ended at this spot. Alright. There we go. That's a nice one. Oh, geez. That's a nice one right there. Wow. These things are amazing. The color on this thing is just so cool. Look at that. I'm just gonna focus. These things are so cool looking. Look at that. It's beautiful. Wow. That's a nice one. There we go. Oh, oh, oh. Chubby. Oh, this one's fat. Nice looking fish. We need lots of them. We need lots of them. There we go. Let's venture down just a little bit. I want to go down just a little bit more. I just want to see what's on the other side, because we're doing pretty good here. We got a couple. I'm gonna fill up that bucket. There we go. That's a nice one. That's a nice chub. Fatty too. They're definitely spawning. There's just thousands. Oh my god, look at that. What is that? Baby bass? No, those are just... Oh, dude, there's tons of them. There are millions. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's millions of them in there by that tree. God. Sheesh. I do not feel bad keeping these. There are millions down there. Let's cast a little further up, see what happens. Right here. Oh, got him. Oh, dude, there's like 6 of them right behind it. Sheesh. That was cool. There's a tree over there too. Got him. That's a nice fish. Look at him go. Look at him go. Oh, beautiful fish. Wow. So cool. I really want to catch one that's like the size of me, you know? Oh, that's a nice fish. That's a nice fish. That's a big one. Oh my gosh. These are the ones I was talking about. Look, oh dude. Look at this thing. Whoa. Yep, the ones with the bump on the head. Guys, check this thing out. Oh, dude, guys, chill. Get my DSLR out real quick. Alright guys, so these are the ones I was telling you guys about. These things are freaking beautiful, man. Jeez. Smear the lens. So yeah, let's put this guy in the bucket. Well guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this episode. It's just creek chub fishing. Again, I needed to prep for some catfish and I had a good time. Caught a bunch of chubs. I might even deep fry some for myself, but definitely going to be cutting them up. As you guys all know, just split them in half, throw them in a bag, let them bleed out, and they work great for catfish. Again, if you want to become a successful creek chub fisherman, just look for creeks out there and look for pockets, look for dips and pools and laydowns. Throw waxies, small little grubs, small little flies. It's pretty easy. So with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys haven't yet hit that subscribe button, leave some comments down below. Hit that thumbs up and I'll see you guys on the water.